Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming storage and making a full backup. This protects data if something goes wrong. Once done, sign out of Apple ID if you plan to erase everything, and make sure Find My iPhone is disabled. Next, delete large app caches, offload unused apps in Settings General iPhone Storage, and remove media you no longer need. As you work, check the system data size periodically so you know whether steps shrink it, and keep the phone powered. You now tackle harder sources of system buildup. Clear Safari history and website data, then remove offline reading items. Once done, reset network settings to clear DNS caches and system network logs, but note you will need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords. Then use Settings General iPhone Storage to review large message attachments, delete conversations or individual attachments to reduce system data. Make sure to restart the device after heavy deletions so temporary caches are freed. You complete the process by creating a fresh backup, then erasing all content if system data won't shrink. Restore from that backup. If the issue persists, try restoring as a new device via iTunes or Finder for the cleanest result. Make sure to test storage after each restore. If you still see unusually high system data, one key troubleshooting tip is to repeat the erase and restore cycle, or contact Apple support. There may be an indexing or software issue that requires their diagnostics.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.